There is a magic and a beauty to the landscape around here, and it will allow you to find your center, discover your past, and imagine your future.
This is my third time at the Poco, and each time has been a very unique experience. I've found deeper connections with myself and the earth, and you know, my whole belief has changed since coming here. And thanks, Ben, for everything.
I did the weekend, and I think it just, after I finished my breakthrough, I started painting and I could not stop, and I painted nature related, birds, I mean anything nature inspiration, and then I evolved to flower painting, and here you can see my flowers on my Instagram. I've had enormous success, and this is all out of that weekend 2 years ago, and now I'm so inspired. There's so much more I want to do, and thank you, Ben, for being my inspirator.
The Wild Call weekend, I wasn't expecting as much of a breakthrough. Coming into it was kind of unexpected, the amount of insight and clarity that came around the experience. So it was not only just a trip into nature, it was a trip into my soul, and one that I'll take with me for the rest of my life. So definitely recommend anybody looking to accelerate their path to the things that they seek in this world to go on this trip, and bring your heart and your soul, and you'll find what you're looking for.